Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and tonight we are talking about all of the best knife blocks and sets that you can get on Amazon. I absolutely love this one. It's J.A. Henckels, and this is a really beautiful knife block. It's cherry wood, which kind of is just, a little something beautiful, really pops. A little different than most knife blocks you might see. These knives are absolutely gorgeous, and there's 18 of them, so it's really going to give you, this is a full set. It's gonna have every single thing you need, from your chef's knife all the way down to your steak knives, and it's even going to have a sharpener and your kitchen shears, kitchen shears. So you're going to have everything that you need. This is great for beginners all the way to professional chefs. This is going to just really add to your kitchen and be amazing and be something that you can have for a lifetime. They have a lifetime warranty for this, you guys. So you know that this is just super high quality and it's going to last you forever. Plus, they're totally beautiful. I love that the ends of these have this stainless steel end cap that just adds, it looks beautiful. It adds, such this pop of elegance. These are triple forged. They are really well balanced, and they are easy to sharpen. Again, crazy high quality. They're high carbon, stainless steel. Just everything is top of the line quality. They're gonna feel really good in your hands. They're gonna be easy to use, easy to sharpen, and last forever. So if you guys are looking for a knife block set, I think this is a great one. You are gonna be so happy with this. So go ahead and put it in your cart.